As Jamaicans prepare to celebrate Christmas, it's not the same for one group. Photographers, particularly in Mandeville, Manchester, they say, like many others, the COVID-19 pandemic has made things difficult. Not quite the Merry Christmas that photographers who operate in Mandeville, Manchester are used to. Like many other small business operators, the photographers say the COVID-19 pandemic is making their lives miserable. Business would be bustling at this time of the year, but these photographers say things look dim.
Last year, things did better. Last year. But this year, if you show the COVID, we have to beg people to come take one picture. The COVID mash up everything. We usually set up with background and people come in and take them picture and everything to mood. But this year, well, I don't know what happened, you know.
Last year this time it was very hectic, very crowded, a lot of people going around, spending a great deal of money, but what they have they spend. And it was very good last year this time.
It was a similar story for another photographer, Howard Johnson.
Things have gone way down, business has deteriorated, so basically we have to alternative, we have to go around it and try to make ends meet. So.
Additionally, the Cecil Charlton Park has been closed with its Christmas tree and fountain, the perfect scenery for picture taking.
Through the COVID and the park, we can't get to go inside the park to do any pictures. Because through the COVID, and it impacts my living a very serious way. But we understand that the COVID is not a joke thing, so we're not going to take it slightly.
Basically the park is closed because of the gathering, so what we do, we have to put our background out on the outside and see that we can get some more work.